Welcome to our charming 2-bedroom oceanfront cottage, Piddock, where every moment is a breathtaking experience. Located right next door to Burntcoat Head Park and overlooking the Bay of Fundy, renowned for the highest recorded tides in the world, this is a place where nature spectacle unfolds right at your doorstep. Let's step inside and discover a cozy retreat designed for your comfort. This cottage features 2 queen beds, a comfy pullout coach, and the amenities you would need for a relaxing stay. Gather around the dining table for a meal with loved ones or unwind in the living room with beautiful views of the bay, a satellite television, electric fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings after a day of exploration. The fully equipped kitchen has all major appliances including a fridge, freezer, stove, oven, and microwave, ideal for preparing meals while enjoying the stunning view. Both bedrooms have queen-size beds with premium linens, vaulted ceilings, lots of hooks and hangers for your belongings, nightstands, as well as reading lights on both sides of the bed. When we were designing and decorating our new cottages, we wanted them to feel very spacious, bright, and airy. We also wanted to incorporate and tie in the beautiful scenic nature that surrounds us. We've also tried to incorporate a lot of local art, as well as local photography, and as you can see, there's big beautiful pictures of Burntcoat Head Park. Our 3-piece baths ensure convenience. We include all of the towels, face cloths, hand towels, shampoo, conditioner, body soap, hand soap, as well as a hair dryer, and we also have Fundy mud towels, which can be used outdoors to wash off your feet, shoes, or your furry friends after a day of exploration. A spacious deck with a barbecue invites you to savor alfresco dining while taking in the fresh ocean air. Surrounding the cottage are acres of tranquil green hills offering a serene backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Watch as the tides ebb and flow, revealing the ocean's wonders beneath. Our west-facing exposure promises spectacular sunsets, a daily spectacle cherished by all guests. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or an adventure in nature, our oceanfront cottages provide the perfect sanctuary. Experience the beauty of the Bay of Fundy and create memories that will last a lifetime. Book your stay today and discover the magic of Burntcoat Head Park. Visit www.shangrilacottages.com for more information.